Morning, guys. How you guys doing? So, big gap up today, pretty much on everything. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see all gaps getting filled, like morning gaps. Today's gap. And the Q is already rejecting all-time high. Let's see. Log in here. How was your weekend? How's everyone doing today? Nvidia is like super strong. Looks like it wants to do a gap and go. But yeah, I want to see pullbacks on everything. AMD, Nvidia, Coin, SPY, the Q, Meta. Okay. Well, let's check if we have any data today. Do we? Do we have any data coming up today? Today we have one Fed speaking, I think. Yeah, at 12. So hopefully I'll be done before that. And also tomorrow and Wednesday. Ooh, Wednesday we have Powell speaking at 10. So most likely Wednesday is not gonna be a good day to trade. Powell is gonna mess up our trading on Wednesday. What happened to Meta? What's Meta doing? Let's see. Whoa. Reaction from all-time high. Probably. Maybe. Okay. I like this coin here. I like this 210 or the entire gap fill here. That's our plan, right? If you guys go to my Discord and you see my coin plan, let's go over here. Where is it? Here, right? It was either seeing if 219.50 was gonna hold as support or a pullback to 210, kind of what it is right now, and wait and see if it's gonna hold there or it's gonna fill this gap. I think 210, 212, it's a valid support for coin. Same with Meta. Meta to 494, 491. Pretty much everything needs pullbacks, retest of previous resistance. Now we want to see those resistance acting as support. Yeah. I love, love, love UPS chart. You guys know that I've been talking about UPS like nonstop. Um, Let me see. I'm gonna swing that one. I don't post trades on my Discord. Only charts. Only the pre-market plan, and if I do anything on the small account challenge. But I haven't touched that one because on the small account I'm holding two positions. I have two positions open and I'm just waiting for those two positions to play out. Mm, so UPS has a huge gap to fill. Let me see when is the, oh no, for next month. Yeah, I got the 150 for end of the month UPS calls. That's gonna be a long-term swing. If it goes down to 147, I'll add more. And my stop loss is under one. I'm gonna give it to 145. So, this is what you guys will see on my Discord. My analysis on SPY and the Q, what I'm looking to play on SPY and the Q might play out on SPY and the Q, and my stocks watch list, which is pretty much 4 or 5, I will say less than 5 charts that I'm looking to play. Most of the time are like 3 because I like to keep it simple, and those 3 are 99% of the time are the only charts that I play on the day. So pretty much my watch list is for you guys to know before the stream starts what I'm looking to trade and why. Pretty easy. Mm, yeah. Oh, by the way, so yeah, I posted on my Discord yesterday, but I'm gonna talk a little bit about it here. So I'm looking to work up close with 3 people that want to completely change their trading for good um in 30 days. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick 3 people that I'm gonna work up close like for 30 days, you and me, 30 days, 3 people. And yeah, we're gonna work on your trading. So if you're tired of losing the market, or you feel like you still haven't grasped how to be profitable on the market, that's for you. We're starting a new month. I want to do that with only 3 people so we can be like talking during market hours from Monday to Thursday. We're gonna be talking all those 30 days. We're gonna have one-on-one video calls, game plan, pre-market. And aftermarket, we're gonna know what happened, why I took X or Y trades, and everything. So if you guys want to know or want to be able to participate on that, I'm gonna pick only three, but you can apply here. You have here the um the form, the application form, and then I'm gonna send out I'm gonna select a few answers from those form, and I'm gonna send out the entire info, like detailed info about the entire program, and I'm only gonna pick about after sending out all those emails, I'm gonna pick only three. So if you want to participate, um you have, let's see, the link. Gonna post the link here. Please, please, please make sure to read and answer what I'm asking. So on the first question, I'm getting like the first question is, what's your Discord? And I'm getting so many answers like ADR. Like ADR is not your Discord name. It's mine. So it's your Discord name, so that way I can send you DMs if you're getting picked for, if you're one of the winners on this for this. So don't put ADR because that's not your Discord name, and how am I gonna DM you? Like, it's so difficult for that. Yep, yep, it is. Yes. Okay, so let's see what are we gonna try today. The queue is not looking too hot here. See why? I know what, because of meta. Okay, I'm gonna go short on the queue. Yeah, I like this possible rejection here. Let's see. Apple is just dead. Dead, dead. See, my Meta is also rejecting. Microsoft is bouncing. Meta and the Q looks exactly the same. Nvidia is flying. SPY is trying, needs to break pre-market high. Let's see, coin here. Why I have, okay, wait. So coin needs to break 122. Looks like 122. That's pre-market high. Okay. Okay. Meta looks like it kind of want to change direction here. I'm gonna sell one. I'm gonna sell two, just in case this thing change here. Holding one only. SPY needs to break this pre-market high, pretty much. Mm, let's see. I'm looking the view up here. I got one there. Right now, all I want to see is the Q keep rejecting the VWAP. And I want to see a SPY rejecting here. Because the SPY could easily break this pre-market high and then retest all-time high, which is this level here, this resistance level here. For that, Meta is looking very bearish. We need Nvidia to go lower. Nvidia is holding very good, so I need Nvidia to go lower so the Q can die here. Snow, let's see. 70 pounds? I don't know, it's too far from 70. It's $9 far from 70. But the support that Snow has is kinda what it is right now, around 180, 181, I will say. So under 180, you have maybe next 170. Yeah. Okay, Nvidia is pulling down. That's gonna help my play here on the Q. Okay. Selling one, leaving one runner here. Coin is fighting here. So I want to see coin breaking this pre-market high. Let me see something. Yeah, I want to see coin breaking this pre-market high and that using that level support. If not, I'm gonna go with the original plan, going back down to 212, 210, and that level acting as support. Put Nvidia here because I think Nvidia is holding the market up. Kind of being super bullish. I don't want to play Nvidia if it doesn't pull back, but it's looking pretty bullish. Microsoft filled the gap. It had a gap and held 412, which is a very important level for Microsoft here. So yeah, fill the gap. Let's see if it's kind of rejecting the gap here. So it had a gap till yesterday's low, no, to yesterday's close, and then fill that gap. And if that gap acts as support, or 416, it's pretty bullish. If reject, maybe it's gonna bounce around this level here between 415 and 412. Yeah, so let me change these to green because so bored. Yeah, Apple. Ooh, Apple keeps dying. What's going on with Apple? It's losing support like it's nothing. See, AMD. AMD is holding very good so far. Looking exactly like Nvidia. See, Google is super bearish. Looks pretty much like Apple. It's just going lower and lower. Ooh, and looks like a huge head and shoulder here on Google. Where is it? Here. Kinda weird head and shoulder, maybe. One here, the other one here, and the main one here, the head, maybe. Gonna move this here. This is the neck, and just broke the neck. But SPY looks like it wants to break out. It's really fighting that pre-market high. Yeah, right. I cleaned the chart and now it looks pretty like clean that head and shoulder. Amazon, let's see. Pretty bullish also. 180. If Amazon breaks 180, ooh, Amazon looks pretty good. But I don't want to trade anything right now to the upside until I see the Q like looking a little bit more bullish, and also SPY breaking that level, that resistance level. And yeah, I want to see Nvidia pulling down to the 824, 820 level. Maybe. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I want to see Nvidia filling this gap. And that will be perfect for an entry. Perfect. You guys on anything or waiting a little bit? SPY definitely looks like it wants to break this resistance. Gracias. IWM. Let's see IWM what's doing. It's- So yeah, waiting for UPS to pull down to 147, it's better than just the entry that I got, but like I said, I am gonna add more. IWM, I have an alert here on IWM because I want to see IWM filling that gap, but it looks like it wants to go without filling the gap. But yeah, it looks IWM is looking pretty bullish also. I will say right now everything is holding on pretty good. So I'm about to get out of that last runner. Mm. I think as long as the Q keeps rejecting this, the VWAP and SPY keeps rejecting this pre-market high, I think we can have a bigger pullback. Mm, over. But I think if Nvidia keeps holding here, it's gonna be difficult for the Q to keep going lower. Like right now, tech is very mixed. We have Meta, Google, Apple being very weak, and we have Nvidia, Microsoft strong, and Amazon also, right? So that's why I'm watching Nvidia because I think Nvidia is the one, like if we see a pullback on Nvidia, I think the Q is just gonna die faster. But if Nvidia keeps holding, the Q could break to a new all-time high. And Meta is trying to turn around here. If Meta can use morning high as support, that's extremely bullish. So I think if you enter a Q put or shorting NQ with me, we have a very good entry. Very, very good entry. I'm gonna go with micros here. So, okay. So in case we have a bigger move to the downside, I can sell my minis, but hold my micros. Yeah. And leave some runners. I love using micros because that way I can sell and leave a few runners. With minis, it's a little bit more difficult because how many minis you need to buy to leave runners? And one runner can take out all your profits. But that doesn't happen with micros. Morning, morning. So, gotta be patient here. You got to be patient here. Ooh, Microsoft broke 416. 416. Above 416, it's very bullish. It's gonna go to 420. So I'm keeping an eye here on Microsoft. If I see it consolidating or yeah, holding 416, that's a good opportunity to play the upside. Mm, Oh, we have a fight here. Fight here. IWM. Okay. SPY still rejecting there. We keep wicking this level. Nvidia looks like it wants more. The Meta still fighting the VWAP. So technically, I'm going against the trend, right? But like I said, I don't want to play the upside on something that is behind the queue or at resistance and everything have so many gaps below. And with futures, I scalp to either side. With options, I do play it with the trend because with options, I like holding it, like getting bigger, um, getting into bigger trades. With futures, is more like scalping. Okay, so I have alerts on coin to either if you pull back down to support or if you break the 222 resistance. I have alerts on IWN to see if it's gonna fill the gap. And that's it. We wait, we're patient, and we wait for those two to see if they're gonna play out. Meta definitely looks like it wants to pull down to 494. Yeah, but again, for the Q to go lower, we need Nvidia. AMD, I like how AMD is looking right now. It's holding the VWAP, fill the gap in the morning. So fill the gap that it had here, and then it's holding here. So if it holds the VWAP, I think AMD is a good one also to play the upside. If can hold the VWAP. And if SPY loses the VWAP, it's done. It's gonna go back down here. At least to 512. Okay, I'm gonna sell my NQs because Nvidia is holding too good for my taste. And so I wanna have less risk. Hopefully we can catch a big move today. I think the big move today is gonna be the Q if it breaks all-time high, which is around 446.50. Or if it goes back down to 442 or 440, we can play a bounce there. Nvidia doesn't want to go lower. So without Nvidia, I don't think we're gonna have the 442 retest on the Q. Okay, coin. Let's see. Okay. Watching the 222 on coin. How is coin IV today? I remember when coin used to be like $100 contract. Now it's so expensive, it's insane. And it's only a $200 stock. Like the 225 are 10.80. 230 is almost $900. It's $900 now. That's crazy. The IV is 130. That's super high. Obviously because of Bitcoin. Mm, mm, mm. A lot of consolidation. A lot. Okay, so SPY, if it close, this 5 minute candle closes under the VWAP, SPY is definitely gonna pull down more. Bunch of wicks everywhere. Coin breaking out. So what I want to see now on coin is waiting a little bit for consolidation above 222. If you buy here on this breakout, you most likely are gonna pay a lot for those contracts. And if the Q breaks the VWAP here, I'm getting out of this play. I like AMD. AMD, it's kind of tempting me here. Let's see what TSM is doing. Mm, like more AMD. Yeah, I like AMD. Too late. Let's see if we have one 5 minute red candle above the VWAP. And that may be my entry. Well, it depends if I see SPY closing this 5 minute candle like that, because that's definitely bearish. Today is the last day for the 1 day pass on Apex. 80% off and 1 day to pass today. So weird. We have stuff that look very bullish and now SPY is like dying here. Microsoft rejected for 16. This 30 minute candle here so far is looking very bearish on Microsoft. If it doesn't hold 416 as support, that's bearish. Google? Yeah. That was what happened with Google. That first 5 minute candle on Google is very bearish. And it gapped down. Any news on Google? Okay, I got 230 coin weekly. My stop loss is gonna be the VWAP. Mm, yeah, I like coin holding 222. The standard VWAP, yeah. The Nvidia looks like it wants to boom boom. I can't believe Apple is under 180. Ooh, IWM. Let's see. IWM. That thing is dying. It's going down rapidly. So, IWM, I will say it's a little bit risky to enter it right now because it's looking too weak, like weaker than the Q. So if the Q or SPY go down here, IWM just gonna die. Coin going, looking beautiful. That 222 break, it's looking beautiful so far. Nvidia, it's kind of looks very like it wants to go, but at the same time, it's having so much trouble here. For me to play Nvidia, I needed to see it going down and fill that gap. Okay, finally, let's see, let's see. Give me 442Q. Keep holding it here. We need to see this breaking, this level here breaking. Why I enter a UPS calls? Um, because what I posted on my Discord today, pre-market, and I've been posting pretty much the same thing for like 2 weeks on UPS. If you go and read it, it's very simple. Okay, I need a bathroom break. But I don't want to miss this is a cute break in this level. But I'll be back in like I don't know 10 seconds. Oh wait. Let's see. If it holds here, I'm gonna go fast. Um. Okay, I'll be back. I'm back. So almost 1 hour after the market opened and we have nothing. No movement. What's holding SPY? Why is SPY holding so good? This is XLF. Maybe financials? Financials looking pretty bullish. Energy? Nope. Yeah, we have Powell speaking on Wednesday. I think it's on Wednesday, no? Okay. Okay, I'm getting out. I don't like how it's holding like for 1 hour. Maybe just faked me out, but I didn't like that move. I like these IWN hold. I'm gonna go long here with IWN. RTY futures. I like that hold, fill the gap. That's my level. Nvidia looks like it wants to break out. SPY doesn't want to go lower. Same with the Q. I'm gonna put it here. Or here. Don't tell me the Q is gonna break that level now. So I want to see IWN holding 206. 206. Tesla. Mhm. Right now, it's all about SPY-Q and NVIDIA. Okay. Come on, SPY, just break that. Come on, SPY, just break that. It's like very good hold here on the Q. Very good hold here. Not so good for IWM. And we have a very small range here where SPY is moving. Okay, NVIDIA. You know what? I'm gonna go long with Micros on NQ. I like this hold here. If it breaks this 444.50 level, I'm getting out. But I like that, like how SPY is fighting there, how the Q is holding, how NVIDIA is looking. I want to see IWM keep holding to above 206. Coin is losing it. I don't like that. So if coin loses the VWAP, I'm getting out. Come on, just do something. Move. Also, this looks like inverse head and shoulder here. Oh, SPY. We have, what is it? Yeah. Head, left shoulder, and right shoulder. Oh yeah, that's definitely bullish. I think the market love Trump. Okay, come on, break out. Come on, come on, come on, the Q. Move, move, move higher. Hold the view up. Hold it. Down. One, 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 one. Okay, so now we want to see SPY holding this level here as support. If not, it's just a fake out. Come on, Nvidia. Nvidia looks like it wants to boom boom. Okay, okay. Back to green on this MNQ. Let's go boom boom. Let's go boom boom time. Come on, Nvidia, boom boom. If Nvidia breaks out, the Q is gonna fly. IWM, what are you doing? The Nvidia is looking so good. So, so good. Mm, awesome. So we played the downside and we played the upside. So on the 30-minute time frame, the Q looks like it's flagging, right? Since yesterday. We have this flag here. Now it needs to break all-time high. Looks like it's flagging. It's gonna have resistance around what it is right now, 445.50, kinda. And then 445.50. 446.50 then. Freaking IWM. Coin is looking great. It's holding there. So we're looking good. We're looking good if IWM can change direction here. There's always a new one. There's always gonna be new setups. Like the market give you very good setups all the time. Let's try a new protein bar today. I have, I think, like 3 or 4 new options. I have three. So we have these. What is this? Doesn't say what it is. It looks like a marshmallow protein bar. Alani. We have this one. We have another one from the same brand. This one is, oh, peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. And this one is marshmallow crispies. I feel like I want to try the first one. It has, I don't know what it has. Like, it doesn't say. It looks like almond and something else, which I think is marshmallow, but no idea. But yeah, I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. It's 200 calories, which is high in calories. 200 calories, 9 grams of fat, uh, 17 grams of fat, 6 grams of sugar, and 17 grams of protein. Looks pretty. This is how it looks. I think it's white chocolate. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This one's really good. Mm-hmm. It has like dark and white chocolate. It has almond and I don't know, something inside that is chewy. I don't know what it is, but it's very, very good. That's true, especially if it is a green apple. I love green apples because I love sour things. When a green apple is super sour, that's the best thing ever. Pretty good. Yeah, that was good. I would say it's a little bit high in calories for only 17 grams of protein. And it has 6 grams of sugar, which is a little bit high for me for a protein bar. But the taste is very good. So it's this brand. First time I tried anything from this brand. So that was a plan on RTY, IWM. Let's see if it's gonna hold here or not. It should hold. I don't see a reason why it shouldn't hold here. I love, love, love the coin 222 consolidation. Yeah, Apple has been crazy week. I don't use SMAs. I don't use any SMA. In fact, I don't use any indicator besides the VWAP. But Palo Alto right now it's in the middle of nowhere. So you either want to see it holding 310 or going back down to 282 and holding that. But here it's in the middle of nowhere. Because how I trade. I like seeing stuff hold at strong level of support or daily level of support. I can see it like it's holding yesterday, I'm sorry, Friday's low, but still Friday's low, it's a new lower low. That's why I like it more if it can hold 310 or if it goes down here. But if it goes down here to 282, it means it's bearish because it keeps printing uh lower low and lower highs. Come on, IWN. I want to see you boom boom. I want to see you boom boom. SMCI is flying. It's at over 1,000. Oh, that's a new New all-time high, right? That's an all-time high. That thing is insane. Boom Boom can go either way. But right now, I'll say Boom Boom to the upside because that's the trend. Yeah, coin, super happy with the coin trade. Coin's looking pretty good. I know it's a little expensive, but you guys can do spreads also. That way it's cheaper, way cheaper, like half the price, 50% off. Okay, me. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so the Q, it's rejecting here. It's rejecting morning high. Um, love this hole here on IWM. I want to see it at least retesting the VWAP and then breaking the VWAP. And I put coin here because that's what I'm playing and it's looking pretty good. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna change this to support to green because it's acting as support. Yep. Mm, 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 mm. Nvidia still fighting morning high, which is not bueno if we want to see the Q and everything going higher. Yep. That is not bueno. These 30-minute candles on SPY is looking ugly. That's ugly. But it still have like over 6 minutes to close. In 6 minutes, it can change a lot. Okay, um, so this is the link. Everyone that sent me DM asking me to apply Um, this is it. This is the link. It's posted on my Discord, but you guys have it here also. Mm, wait. Mm, what's going on there? Wait, mm, wait. Mm, okay, that's the link. So we have no boom boom. No boom boom. Despite 30-minute candles looking ugly, not gonna lie. IWM is still holding the 206 support, which is bullish. But I don't know. I don't know. Everything's starting to look kind of toppy, especially SPY on the Q. But like I said before, these 30-minute candles can change in like these 3 minutes that I have left. How you guys doing so far? Green? Waiting? Red? Who's on coin with me? Coin looking beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know what's the next resistance here. Let's check that out. Next resistance on coin. Mm. Yeah, price action's weird on the SPY queue. We have certain stocks that the charts look very easy, but the SPY queue is very choppy. I will say 240. Well, we have a little bit here at 230. 230 and then 240. Yeah, I think this is 219, 219.50. That was the level that I had before. And then 230, a little bit above 230. Let's see. And then 250. I would say 250 is the main one. And yeah, a little bit around 230. Kind of like this. I'm gonna put 230, 30, 230. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the next one is 230. But yeah, coin's looking pretty good. Alright, alright. IWN is holding, which is what I want to see doing. It's doing its own thing there. But I want to see I want to see it keep holding it 206 above 206. Mm. Yeah, CoinShares is a better play because those contracts are expensive. Come on, just move. This is starting to get super boring. Just do something. The market is gonna make me work and sweat today for this IWM play to again. So it's almost 11 and I have over 4 miles already. And I need to end the stream before 11:30. No, around 11:30. Before 12. I need to leave before 12. It's working out pretty good. The new thumbnail, yeah, it's working out pretty good. I'm definitely getting more views on the live streams. I worked so much this weekend on new thumbnails, on researching for new videos, also cropping out videos from past streams. I'm working on my new course that is gonna be available completely free for the 3 people that I'm gonna pick for to work with me for 30 days. That's gonna be free for you guys. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. On Saturday, I work the entire Saturday. I don't like that coin move. What's going on with coin? IWM is looking fantastic. Come on, coin. Hold it. Nvidia started to look toppy. And SPY keeps going higher, but it has a bunch of weeks. It's not looking like it keeps going higher, but it's not looking too strong. The same with the Q. Yeah, no problem. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the likes. Always, always thank you. Thank you forever for the likes and for subscribing. I like doing this with you guys. Like trading by myself is so boring. I have nobody to talk to. So I want to come up with new and more videos. If you guys are having trouble with anything specific when it comes to trading, DM me so I can talk about it on the streams, and then I clip it and make new videos, like videos for only on that part, so it's easier for you guys to follow through. Also, that if you guys DM me with questions, or yeah, anything that you find a little bit difficult, um, I can make new free guides for you guys. That's my thank you for subscribing and for liking the videos. Thanks, Sam. I can see no only a country, but not like YouTube. Tell me, I can show you guys that. Like, let me see if I can show you guys without showing any personal info. So yeah, I can show you guys. Yeah, where is it? Audience here, and I can see here. Okay, at what time you guys tune in, and what else? Yeah, like the states. The 60% of you guys come from the states. 94, 90, almost 95% are male. That's what I can see on YouTube. Also, kinda, I can see your age. Yeah, that's the info I got. And what channels you guys watch. Also, like number one is Vince, obviously, that was expected. You guys watch Tanja Trades. I don't know who that is, but I guess I can see, like, she's another female, so that's good. Patrick, he's funny. He's funny, but sometimes he's a little bit too much, and I had to get, like, close his video because sometimes he's, like, too loud. Too much over, like, I think sometimes he's too over the top. But yeah, the best one, obviously, Vince. Not your age. I can see like most of you guys like age. Like the majority is between 35 and 44 years old. You're from the UK? Kind of big. I will say I was not expecting over 5% from India. But yeah, mostly 95% male. That was expected. And yeah, and your guy's age 35 and 44, between 35 and 44, that's 34%. So I will say between 25 and 54 is my audience age, male. And you guys watch a lot of shorts, which I don't do shorts. I guess I need to do shorts. I need to start doing shorts. um, yeah. Ooh, IWM is looking beautiful. That entry was perfect. It's at VWAP, so I'm gonna sell one. Just why not? Just lock some profits here. Opus clip? Oh, really? I'm gonna research that because I'm just lazy. I don't like to do all those stuff. Like, I'm fine. Like, on Saturday, I did like 10 videos. Like, I edited, I got through a bunch of my old streams and I cut it and I make new 10 videos. But I can do that in one day, but I don't see myself doing it every single day. Like, I don't know, it's not my thing. Also, I'm not like like you guys know me. Like I'm super like calm and quiet when it comes to trading. So I think shorts only work if you're like a little bit cuckoo like Patrick, right? Because people want to see what's going on. But I'm like, okay, I'm up 12K. Fine. That's fine. Bye. Yeah, so Spa and the Q look tired. I'm thinking if I wanna like I'm thinking on if I want to get out of these RTY play, but it still looks so good, and I had such a good entry. But I feel like Spy is gonna just die out of nowhere. And same with the Q. But it doesn't matter what I think. I'm gonna play the chart on IWM. The chart on the Q and Spy, it's not looking good for the upside. Nvidia is it's stuck at morning high. Like it looks like it wants to keep going higher, but I will wait for a break and retest. And I will wait until I see the Q holding it a little bit better. Oh, and like I said, I don't want to play Nvidia this high without filling the gap that it has below. Look, coin looks beautiful. That was perfect. Perfect break and retest there. Now SPY is looking like a head and shoulder. But I honestly don't, I see head and shoulders, but I don't play head and shoulders all the time because the way I like playing head and shoulder is if we are on an uptrend, I like doing it on the inverse head and shoulder. But if we are on a downtrend, I will look to play the head and shoulder. Like here, SPY is looking that it have a head and shoulder, right? But it is still on an uptrend. So even though it's looking weak, I can see a possible head and shoulder here. I will not go for that head and shoulder because it's against the trend. Yeah, SPY, like I said, SPY and the Q, even though um, the daily looks bullish, like in the daily, like the trend today is bullish. For me, kind of looks, both kind of look weak. But I don't know. I don't know. Like, honestly, I will be careful playing the upside here or on SPY because it's too close to all-time high. It's too close to resistance. So for me, the risk to reward there is not that good. I would prefer for SPY to be at a strong support, like um 510. That would be my entry to play SPY. In fact, that was my plan for today. Waiting for SPY to go to 510, give me that pullback, and then I look to play the upside. I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but so far, right now, I don't really care because I had a very good day so far. um, on the first short on NQ, and then playing the upside on micros. I completely forgot about those micros, and I'm gonna stop out. Like I'm selling those micros because I don't like how the Q is looking. And same with the SPY. In fact, I kind of wanna sell IWM, but it's holding the VWAP. And I know sometimes IWM do its own thing, so I'm gonna just leave it. Unless it breaks the VWAP, I'm just gonna hold that runner. Ooh, UPS looking fantastic. It's going for that gap. It's getting closer and closer to fill the entire gap. Look at this. The gap is the entire like blue area on my charts. Anytime you guys see any blue zone or area on my chart are gaps. And look what UPS is doing. Like it had a lot of consolidation at 147, which is extremely bullish. And then we have 152 resistance, and then it's gonna be the entire gap fill till 154. So it's looking beautiful. I already talked like, I don't know, 20 times about Nvidia. Like I already talked about Nvidia a bunch of times. Like nothing changed in 1 minute. Like charts doesn't change. Levels doesn't change in just 5 minutes. SPY looking pretty weak, I will say. Pretty weak. Yeah, if breaks this, it's gonna boom boom to the downside. Kinda losing the VWAP. It's having a lot of trouble. A lot of trouble at more pre-market high. We have over 50 people applying to work with me for 30 days. A lot of you guys, I need to go through all these. Give me 1 second, I don't want to show these. So, show this either. I have to go through a bunch of answer here. I need to work on that. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Love seeing this. Love seeing this. The ones that didn't put anything on the last question are disqualified because the last question is the most important question to pick my 3 winners. Yeah, I have a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna pick the 3 winners, I think on Wednesday or Thursday. Oh, nice, George. Yeah, it matters a lot. You know why it's so important, that last question? Because even, let's just say you're sick and tired of losing in the market, right? You have time to put on your trading education. Let's just say you have the money also, but if you don't have the right mindset, it's not gonna work. I want to work with people that really have the 1,000% focus on getting better at trading. Like people that I know that I'm gonna give them the info, all my knowledge, my time. I'm gonna give them homework and I wanna see them coming back with questions, right? I don't wanna see people like coming to my classes and then just sitting there and not asking anything, or just sitting there waiting for me to just tell them what to do. Like obviously I'm gonna tell you what to do, but I want to see you doing it, right? I want to see you putting effort. I want to see you like working on your trading. I want to see you like going through the entire material that I'm gonna give you. That's what I want to see. And for that, you need the right mindset. I will say it's too late, or maybe. Oh wait. Um, UPS. I always think that every time I see somebody asking me what's the next entry or if it is too late to enter any trade, it's late for that. Okay, I'm getting out here. Oh wait. Um, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm about to get out of RTY. Let's see. Yeah, I'm getting out. SPY looks like it wants to go lower. In fact, SPY looks like a very good short. I don't care if it bounces here. I'm happy with my day. Yeah. 2,400 for the day. I think it's more than enough. I still think IWM looks good if, let's just say, it pulls back down to 206, but if it holds there, I still think it looks good. I just don't like how SPY is looking. Yeah, I'm gonna keep reading all applications until Wednesday or Thursday, so you guys can still apply until, I will say, until Wednesday. Okay, guys, I'm done for today. So I'm gonna keep holding. Okay, 24, a little bit above 2400 with futures. Super happy with that. I think SPY is looking pretty bearish, but I'm not gonna try anything else. So coin, I'm gonna hold coin unless it breaks the VWAP. UPS, I'm not even gonna look UPS unless it breaks. What was the level that I said? It was my stop loss in UPS. Um, I'm gonna lock a little bit of profits here around 152. 152 is a level that I want to lock some profits, and my stop loss is 146, under 146 or 145. So yeah, UPS is looking amazing, amazing, and I bought it for the end of the month, so super happy with that. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here. If you want to play anything, I will say IWN is the best chart so far. Right now, the easiest one, 206, is the level you want to see holding. That's it. Very easy. So yeah, see you guys mañana. Bye.